Howdy, Sheriff Buford T. Cletus signing in. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today's video is going to be a lot different from history, paranormal, or anything else. We're going to eat some hot peppers that I have grown here at the house, and they're called baby bird's eyes. I will put all the pictures and everything in here so you can see what they look like better. And I will even tell you what the Scoville unit says. So y'all stay tuned. First, let's hear a word from our buddies over at TubeBuddy. Your one-stop shop for everything you need to help out your video quality. You can make your thumbnails, get your keywords, your tags. Everything you need is in TubeBuddy. So give it a check, man. Come on. The link will be in the description below. And link is up here somewhere. Try TubeBuddy out, won't you? We'll see y'all later. You got it focused in the camera? Yeah. Well, here's the bad boy that we're gonna be eating.
Everything up there.
Wish us luck. Ready? Cheers. Yeah, that was one. Yeah.
Tapping out.
No, you said anything about not being able to drink beer.
Oh yeah, that coats the whole inside of your mouth. I got coat chill.
It chills my ass. It's going down my throat.
And the sad part is I got them lips. It burns.
Yeah, you're going to wash before you go to pee or something.
That's a hot little bastard. Son of a bitch.
You know what? You need to be quiet. Second half.
Yeah, we'll give you a bite. I'm literally getting fucking cold here.
I'm sweating.
Oh shit, that's the milk. Damn. My lips are on.
My tongue.
Oh, my whole mouth.
Let's just say fuck.
No, that's a bug.
I thought it was saying
You're
what I was.
both wrong except what.
Oh, I thought it was saying what I was feeling.
Well, guys, I think the boys are having a problem.
I have literally got cold chills from my mom's made.
Yeah.
One little pepper did them both in.
No, it ain't done me in yet.
Uh-uh.
I ain't tapped out. I ain't had a drink yet.
Hey, nobody said anything about not being able to have a drink. This is not going to get rid of it. That is not going to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Milk.
Oh,
Oh.
you gotta be.
Whew, don't burp. Whatever you do, don't burp. Oh. That's worse. Oh, yeah, Bubba, that's something there too.
Oh, shit.
It's over by the light. Whew. See it on top of the curtains. Actually, stick it on the fly paper.
The thing is it don't build. It's one big punch right
Yep,
off
it's on
the
the
rip.
fly paper.
He didn't stick.
No.
Damn.
You want a good one? Take a deep breath.
I can't.
Take a deep breath
I can't.
and exhale slowly out your mouth.
That's like breathing fire.
This is
Holy smokes. a bad little bastard there.
It is.
And the thing is, it don't build. It's all punch one right as soon as you chew it.
Yep.
Kayla.
And it's not at the back of your throat, it's all on the inside of your mouth. Your tongue, lips. Oh.
No, it just said Gila.
Yeah, I can do this.
Kayla.
Yeah, that's just gonna move the oil around in your mouth.
Yep, it didn't help. That's why I said I ain't tapping out. You go after milk, sour cream. Although I bet right about now a teaspoon of sour cream sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Mayonnaise, sour cream, milk, you don't make shit. Ice cream, I don't care. Wow. Oh, son of a bitch. Out of all the peppers I've eaten, that one there takes the cake. I mean, literally. Because it, like I said, it's not at the back of your throat building.
No, it's everywhere.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
That,
Yes, Randy. Not crazy. And these little bastards
what?
are gonna love it.
one of these
In
Yeah.
a pot of chili.
in a crock pot of chili, yeah. Oh,
Yeah. I just hope we're both in the camera. I don't know if we are or not.
hard to say with what Mama's doing. Did you get it? Where's it at?
I have no idea.
Uh-huh.
Are we still in the camera? The both of us? Just
That's recording.
yeah.
We're back.
Yeah. Technical difficulties.
Yep, its name is Susan.
Holy smokes.
That would have been interesting if we had done our original thing and snuck it into a burger somewhere.
Yeah, that'd been a surprise. Ooh, wait.
Why did you come?
It was a moth.
It's not to be.
It's one of these. It's one of these.
No, it was a fly. I know the difference between that flap and a.
Oh. Yeah. Them, y'all try one of them little bad boys. They hot. Ah. That's all right. We got more stuff to grow.
Yeah, but it ain't them. We'll save the seeds out of this one, out of the back end of this one. Yeah.
Damn. I can breathe. Holy smokes.
Portal.
I'm here to tell you, folks, those are hot. They're hotter than damn it. But like I say, though, I mean, as far as eating peppers, like, you know, these are 50 times hotter than a jalapeno, by the way, people.
I think that would be halfway on the hot one challenge. Because they go up to
No, I'm wrong.
they go up to 1 million Scovilles.
I am wrong. It is 500 times hotter than a jalapeno.
It was something.
Holy.
You find it again?
Well, folks, damn, I can't talk now. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed that. We didn't. It was hot. But for now, we'll see y'all on the next go around. Later, taters.
That's the looking.
Well, I did it as long as I could. The first drink. My lip's more on fire than anything where I touch my lip. Bad news. But y'all hang tight. Well, I hope you liked this video just as much as I did putting it together for you. But for now, Sheriff Buford T. Cletus, signing out. And remember, people, if you see somebody out there that don't have a smile, please give them one and make their day. Alright? Y'all come back now. You hear?
Thank you for watching.